Often described as the birthplace of the American Revolution, Boston is a city where centuries of history sit along modern skyscrapers, vibrant neighbourhoods, world-class food and a beautiful waterfront. Whether you're interested in history, culture, sport or simply exploring a walkable city packed with character, Boston has plenty to offer. Welcome to our channel, the Tartan Tripper. Let's take a look at some of the best things to see and do in this remarkable New England city. One of the first places many visitors head to is the famous Freedom Trail. Stretching for around 2.5 miles through the heart of the city, this red brick path links 16 historic sites that tell the story of America's fight for independence. Along the route, you'll discover churches, meeting houses, burial grounds and historic landmarks that play a role in shaping the nation's history. Even if you're not a history enthusiast, the Freedom Trail is one of the best ways to get your bearings and explore the city on foot. As you follow the trail, you'll eventually arrive in one of Boston's most charming neighbourhoods, Beacon Hill. With narrow streets, elegant brick townhouses, gas lamps and picturesque corners, it's often considered one of the most beautiful areas in the entire United States. Walking through Beacon Hill feels like stepping back in time, and it's easy to see why photographers and visitors love this part of the city. Just a short stroll away, you'll find Boston Common, the oldest public park in the United States. This large green space has been at the heart of city life for centuries and provides a peaceful escape from the busy streets. Next door is the beautiful public garden, famous for its colourful flowers, picturesque footbridges and the iconic swan boats that glide across the lagoon during the warmer months. It's the perfect place to slow down and enjoy a quieter side of Boston. No visit would be complete without exploring Quincy Market and Faneuil Hall. This lively area combines history, shopping, dining and entertainment all in one location. Street performers entertain visitors outside, while inside you'll find food stalls serving everything from local seafood to international cuisine. The atmosphere here is energetic throughout the day and well into the evening. Speaking of food, Boston is one of the best places in America to enjoy fresh seafood. New England clam chowder is perhaps the city's most famous dish, while lobster rolls are another local favourite. Whether you choose a waterfront restaurant or a casual market stall, sampling Boston seafood is an essential part of the experience. Beyond seafood, you'll find everything from traditional Irish pubs to trendy modern eateries spread throughout the city's diverse neighbourhoods. Boston's waterfront has undergone a remarkable transformation over recent decades and is now one of the city's most attractive areas. Stroll along the harbour, enjoy the views across the water, or simply relax at one of the many outdoor spaces. The waterfront offers a completely different perspective of the city and provides some fantastic photo opportunities. These trips offer spectacular views of the skyline while providing fascinating insight into Boston's maritime history. Depending on the season, you may even find whale watching excursions departing from the harbour, offering the chance to see some incredible marine wildlife just offshore. Even if you're not a sports fan, it's worth visiting the area around the legendary Fenway Park, home of the Boston Red Sox. Opened in 1912, it's the oldest ballpark in Major League Baseball and remains one of the city's most iconic landmarks. The surrounding neighbourhood is packed with bars, restaurants and a lively atmosphere that reflects Boston's passionate sporting culture. Another neighbourhood often worth exploring is the North End, often referred to as Boston's Little Italy. Here you'll find narrow streets lined with Italian bakeries, cafes and restaurants. It's one of the city's oldest districts and offers a wonderful mix of history and food. Many visitors come here specifically to sample the famous cannoli and other Italian treats. Art lovers should make time for the impressive museums scattered across the city. Boston is home to outstanding collections covering everything from fine art to science and innovation. The city's educational heritage, shaped by world-renowned universities nearby, helps create a rich cultural scene that appeals to visitors from around the world. If you enjoy our channel, The Tartan Tripper, make sure to hit the subscribe button so as not to miss any of our latest videos. One of the things that makes Boston particularly appealing is how easy it is to explore. Many of the city's main attractions are within walking distance of each other, and the public transport system makes getting around straightforward. Unlike some larger American cities, Boston often feels compact and manageable, allowing visitors to see a lot in just a few days. The best times to visit are generally spring and autumn. Spring brings blooming parks and milder temperatures, while autumn transforms the city with spectacular autumnal colours that make Boston even more photogenic. Summers are always lively, and especially this year as the Tartan Army heads to Boston for the World Cup, while winters offer festive charm and the possibility of snow-covered historic streets. Boston is a city that successfully combines history, culture, food and waterfront beauty into one unforgettable destination. From walking the Freedom Trail and exploring Beacon Hill to enjoying fresh seafood and taking in harbour views, there's something here for every type of traveller. Whether you're planning a New England road trip, a city break, or you're here for the World Cup, or simply looking for somewhere rich in character and history, Boston deserves a place on your travel wish list. Click on our next video for more travel destinations and inspirations. Until next time, safe travels.